Hello, everyone, and welcome to your quick vocal warm-up for a busy day. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. All right, here we go. Before we start, let's take 3 deep breaths together. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Again. Exhale. Last time. Big breath in. Exhale. Okay, let's begin. Let's get started with the first exercise, humming. Let's wake up your chest voice. Follow along. Nice. Great. Feel the vibrations in the front of your face, on your lips, nose. Nice work. Keep breathing. Keep your shoulders down. Well done. 2 more. Yes. Last one. Let's focus on breath control and flexibility. Let's do lip trills. Nice work. Keep going. You're doing great. Last one. Let's do one more. Well done. Let's continue with the word sing on 5 ascending and descending notes. Sing, 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 sing. Sing, 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 sing. Sing, 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 sing. Nice. Sing, 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 sing. Great job. Sing, 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 sing. One more to go. Sing, 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 sing. Amazing work. Now let's move to the final exercise. We're going to slide from low to high. Try to get all those notes in between and follow along. You can use a straw or you can sing you. It's up to you. Let's get started. Great job. Keep going. If it's too difficult or too high, grab your straw and do the exercise. Nice work. Last one. If you enjoyed this vocal warm-up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.